Welcome to Goza Designs channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to model a spiral staircase with AutoCAD 3D. This is actually the the third video of the series that we started, which is actually going to be the last section of the series. Okay, so if you haven't watched the first two videos, I highly recommend you go and watch it so that we can all be on the same platform. Is that right? If this is something that makes sense to you, kindly hang around till the end of this specific video. Then you will know how to model a spiral staircase, AutoCAD 3D, including handrail. Okay, so we didn't only talk about strategies the first two. I will actually discuss into depth a step by step how to go about the whole this thing. Is that right? So without much ado, let us continue today's session. It's about modeling the handrail. Okay, uh, we did model the handrail posts already, and they are all in their respective positions, which actually makes it a little easier for us. So what we are going to do is to model the top rail, then we are completely through. So model the top rail. The top rail is also going to be made out of the same section, um, a steel pipe of diameter 38. Okay, so but before then, need to figure out the curvature. Okay, so to do that, we are going to make use of a spline command. Spline command. Okay, I'm a shortcut fan, not that too short, but shortcut for I'm a shortcut fan, not as it sounds anyway, but shortcut as in AutoCAD. So the shortcut for spline is SPL, enter. So you are only going to be specifying or clicking the point of the pipes. Okay, so make things a little easier, you've got to deactivate the auto mode by simply clicking on the icon here. Let's move first point, second point, third. Once you are the middle of the circle or the midpoint of the post, AutoCAD will notify you. Okay, there are some settings that you need to do for for this for AutoCAD can notify you whether you are this in the center point of a circle, you are at the quadrant of a circle. So there are some presets that we supposed for this snap option effective. Is that right? From here, clearly I can make use of orbit command by just click escape, come back, last point, right click. Yeah, then oh, I have my spiral staircase. That looks that looks very nice. So what I'm going to do, I'll just draw a circle. D enter 38. I will select the circle. I will use sweep command SW double E. Then AutoCAD will prompt me specify the path along which I want to circular section. So I just have to click on the spiral, this on the spline that we did before, then automatically have my top rail nicely drawn. And this brings us the end of this series. So maybe for instance, if you model the base plate of this spiral staircase, uh, enter maybe the diameter of the base plate is for instance 200. Let's say to pointer. For instance, I have a hole from the edge 30. For instance, I want to use diameter, enter. I want to use the for instance size What I'm going to do, the thickness of the base, let's say for instance, I'll select the array, array by the center of the circle. For instance, I want to find, I'm going to select array and then explode it by using explode command. By hitting the shortcut for explode command is X enter, and it is exploded. The line will me to I want to drill the base plate by the use of press pull command, PRE double S, then it comes press pull. Have to go. It's actually a faster way to than making one after the other. For the sake of beginners, decided to do it step by step. Ah, now we have our column, the base plate nicely drilled in position. So here, that's to the end of this. Now, because you've been around till the end, I want to give you a bonus. So the bonus is actually, maybe for instance, you take a printout of this specific staircase. Okay, how do you go about that? That might take us a little time. So what we are going to do is need to extend this a fourth video. Is that right? See you in the next and last. This is actually the last video. So the coming video is going to be a bonus for this. Is that right? So see you in the next video, which is the bonus session for this specific series. Thank you.